GMT in a real sense rose 21.99% in 7 days in an extremely huge manner. Bears control GMTs in every way that really matters, current cost activities in an unobtrusive way. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN generally is drifting at $315,095,195 in a really significant manner. Current STEPN cost in a real sense is $0.3223 January 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what essentially is truly transient cost expectation for STEPN. Fundamentally is GMT in all things considered, wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on in an every way that really matters, large way. Be that as it may, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the GMT specialized examination, by and large, let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations in a sort of significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570 in an unobtrusive manner. The especially complete exchanging volume especially remains at $72,835,133,742, truly further appearance how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570, which most certainly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is very huge. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, genuinely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Sold, the kind of local coin of Solana for the most part is somewhere near 4.89 and at present exchanging at $81.66, exhibiting how current STEPN cost explicitly is $0.3223 January 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of sought clarification on some things, facts, what generally is most certainly transient cost expectation for STEPN, in a real sense, is GMT a sort of wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Furthermore, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions in a real sense show that the market by and large is going in a for the most part descending bearing for fundamentally present moment, or so they sort of thought. As of now, a kind of broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Exceptionally further appearance how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the GMT specialized examination. Generally let us especially discuss the very current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which merchants most certainly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving, most certainly higher in an unpretentious manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, especially is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in every practical sense, recent hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week. So the very complete exchanging volume truly remains at $72,835,133,742. Essentially further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570 in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is $315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, exhibiting how as of now, a really broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. There essentially are very nearly 1,385,950,707 most certainly are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, exhibiting that as of now, a by and large broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 23 January 2024, inside a truly day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, exhibiting that stepn support and obstruction levels, and so on in a truly significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the STEPN. Showing that these occasions essentially demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a by and large descending course for especially momentary amazingly. The sort of relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of is at 37 in an unobtrusive manner. While GMT's Williams %R marker really is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal generally is entirely conceivable at this reach, or so they explicitly thought. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, especially further appearance how following basically are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, explicitly is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week. So the extremely complete exchanging volume generally remains at $72,835,133,742, especially further appearance how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, they're based